Hi, I'm JD Brake with Jackson Systems. From MA, Joel joins us again, and he's talking about some very important pieces out there for every contractor in the field. We got some screwdrivers here and some bits for the contractor. Kind of walk us through, what do you have here?
Well, this is a little two-piece nut driver set, JD.
Yeah.
And you will notice that these two sizes will cover 80% of your needs. And
That's
you guys
awesome.
are handling those here. And we also have this little 16-piece nut driver set. This is available in three popular sizes. It also has a chuck adapter, and it has the 4-inch and 6-inch lengths. All the heads are magnetic, so the screws won't fall off.
Nice.
And this has been a very handy tool and very good popular set.
Yeah, why is this so important to have these? I mean, obviously there's just so many different pieces of equipment. And how convenient is this for the technician?
The technicians generally like, on this little set, the longer shank length, so they can reach back easily to the back of the furnace or the blower compartment or wherever they may be. So it's been very popular.
Good, awesome. Well, all these products are available at Jackson Systems right now. You can check them out on the website at www.jacksonsystems.com. Or if you have any questions on the products, you can always contact us at 888-652-9663. Joel, thank you again for coming on. Appreciate it.
Thank
Check
you,
out
JD.
these great MA products now available at Jackson Systems.